Hey, y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host, Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this pipe. The only thing it says on it is Humidor Select and Made in England. That's all it says. So it's a little bent Dublin, but it's got some damage on the stem that let's see if we can repair. So let's turn around to the workbench and get started. All right, let's take a closer look. We do have this gap that we're going to have to work on. A little damage up here, but that main thing is that. I don't know if somebody laid a cigarette down on it or what, and it goes actually fairly deep. Now, I've done a little repairs on acrylic stems before, but nothing this large. So, what we're going to start to do is remove that damaged area, and then we'll look to mainly use some clear acrylic, excuse me, clear CA glue on there and build that spot back up. But I'm not sure how it would look. It would probably look fine if you're looking straight down on it. But if you turn it to the side, you'll probably see that big old blob of um, CA glue. So we're going to have to try to figure out something maybe. I don't know. But we'll play around with it. Now to remove this area, I'm going to use my trusty manicurist drill and just got a sanding drum on the end. Ooh-wee, that's a big hole. All right. Sand it a little bit. Hope I get it all. Kind of wondered about this end down here. Yeah, I think I've got just a little bit right there. We'll just have to see how well it clears once I add the glue. Okay, I've got this Stumac medium super glue, CA glue. And let me just lay some here on the end right here. Yep, that's what I thought. I have to get that pretty smooth. Just more sanding. Well, the damage goes much further than I thought, much deeper. And it's in the form of these little white specs. Um, I know I can repair the stem. I don't know if it will look good. That's the problem. But we'll keep trying. A lot more sanding ahead. I've gone much deeper than I thought I would have to, but I believe I've got everything out. Sorry for all the noise. Those scratches below that will be worked on and buffed out. Like I said, I know I can fix it. I just don't know how it will look. Use the let me back out of here. The Stumac super glue, CA glue. I use CA glue on acrylic stems, and I'll use the G Flex on vulcanite stems. All right, this is going to take several coats, and usually I'll spray it with some accelerator, but I think that sometimes that causes bubbles, and I just can't have bubbles. And if you look real close, I can still see some of those white spots, but I'm tired of sanding. So I'm going to let that naturally dry. Take several minutes, and then we'll just do coat on top of coat on top of coat. And I've said that if my manicurist drill ever died on me, I'd immediately get one. That's exactly what happened. This one's brand new. I love the thing. It works so well. Just a dab will do it. Now let that dry, and we'll continue on. It's looking pretty good. I've got this one little low spot that I'm gonna have to drill out, and then fill it back in with some glue. It's looking pretty good. Well, while we're waiting for the glue to dry, let's take a look at the stubble. Now, the first thing you see is all these little chips. Got some heavy carbon on top, may even be some charring or scorching, so that might be an issue. But what I think I'll do, the rest of the pipe's in decent shape. I'm going to top it and maybe clean up this side as well, but we'll see. All right, 320 grit sandpaper. I decided to sand the stumble all over. I was just going to have to take it down too far to get rid of all those small nicks. So I rolled the outer edge and I rolled the inner edge to kind of match up a little bit. I think it'll be fine. Next stop will be some dye. I've decided to go with light brown. Hope it's not too dark with that amber colored stem, yellow and whitish. Put this up on my rack and let it dry. Well, we're getting close. Just mainly got this one little spot I'm working on. And still may have to go back and put a little bit of glue on that spot. It kind of cratered in a little bit as it dried. All right. I've got it cleaned out. This is like when you're painting something. Maybe, I don't know if there's any artists out there, but you just take one more brush stroke, and then you got to do a second, then a third, and fourth, and fifth. And next thing you know, you're just totally messing things up. So I'm hoping this is my last application of glue. We shall see. Alrighty. Don't need to be chasing down the rabbit hole. I can tell right now there's going to be some white spots. Oh, what to do, what to do, what to do. Basically we're dealing with a basket pipe here. I'm just trying to learn. So I'll let this dry and see where we end up. The filing is done. So next I'll start some sanding, and hopefully I won't have to go back and put some more filler in, but it's looking good so far. Well, I just ran it over the Tripoli compound, and yes, I've got some areas that I'm gonna have to grind back out. The sanding's done, so let's put it back on the buffer. I know I'll probably have a couple little inclusions in there, but I think it'll look good. Well, I'll just say this. I'm tired of messing around with this stem. Um, I've now applied glue to the stem for a 19th time. And I think what I'm fighting about the glue is it's old. I don't use the clear medium very often. And I have learned that when the glue starts to get some age on it, it will leave bubbles and different artifacts behind. And you'll see that on the stem, I've got some white, I call them inclusions, white inclusions in there. It's a dramatic improvement from what the stem was, but this is a basket pipe. So, now if this was a nice 7LE or some other really nice pipe, I'd definitely spend more time on it. But anyway, so here it is. I've got it fitting much better now. So now let's look at my aggravation. You can see those in there. And I've ground that out numerous times, and it just keeps coming back. Is it better than the big burn spot? Absolutely. Got all the nicks out of the bowl. And so I'm gonna mark this as a success just from the standpoint of the learning uh, process. Um, I haven't ever tried to do this kind of repair before, so I learned a lot. I did. I learned a lot. So that wraps it up, and I appreciate you sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.